Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video from Wtf Rc Cars. So this is just a follow-up one for how we actually get the Noble Pro running the way that we have. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut quickly to a very short video just to show you what the settings actually are on the Noble Pro and how we've got it functioning like this. And it's basically just to make it operate in this way. So you can press and hold one of the buttons, let go and it stops. Press and hold the other button and the winch will go the other way and then it stops. Incredibly easy to set this up on the Noble Pro. I've never really needed to set a winch up, so I've not gone through it on the NB4, but the NB4 is a lot more involved. You have to set up a mix and then you have to lose one of the extra channels. This way you're not losing any channels or anything. It's just set up on channel 3 and that's the way it functions, and it's really nice, easy to do. But let's get through to the video where I show you how to set it up and then we'll close this one out. Right, so the way we're going to set this up, you're going to go into model. First select a model memory for it. So we're just going to use one that we've got set for this one. Then you can give it a name. Channel number definition you want to set to 8. And radio frequency setup 2-way RF. Then I'm going to go RX set. Servo frequencies with the ESC we're using on this, it's going to have to be analog. So we want it on enhanced. Then you want to power up your ESC and receiver with the bind button held down on the receiver. And then we're going to start bind.
Binding successful.
Then we should be able to go into servo frequency. The throttle for the ESC we're using, I'm going to drop this down to analog. And then channel 3 is going to be a digital servo because we're using the Wtf Rc one. So once we've got that set, I'm going to set auxiliary. And we're going to change that. And this is a lot harder trying to type when I'm looking through the phone. So I'm going to want to set this onto that. Then we're going to want to set it to winch. So we're going to want that on 3 position. Right, so basically that is how you're going to want it set up, so it will only move the winch when you press one of the either of the buttons on the controller, these 2 little paddles. Right, so let's get back to main camera and I'll show you how it functions. So there you have it, that's how easy it is to set it up on the Noble Pro. And we are running the FGR8B on this one, so nice and easy to set up. Very useful setting for a crawler, but hope that answers a few questions that you had on how to set up winches on the Noble Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share to friends and family or anybody else you might find it useful. And I'll catch you guys again in the next one.